Next up, I believe, is, tell me the name of your company. Ah, here. What's the name of your product?
Product's called FaceCash.
Oh, FaceCash. Let's hear it for FaceCash. Boom.
Thanks. I'm Aaron. I have 3 minutes, so I'm just going to start showing you things. FaceCash is a mobile payment system. It lets you pay for things with a phone, and the way that we do that is using a barcode. So this is our homepage. You can go to facecash.com and check it out. This is our application, which runs on iPhone, Android, and BlackBerry natively, and there's also a mobile site for any other legacy phone with a web browser. But basically, when you sign in, you have a barcode, and that barcode represents your account number with us that you get when you sign up. You can also put other wallet cards into your phone, like your frequent flyer numbers, but that's just a matter of convenience. You can check your balance in real time. This is a test account, so I have like $10 million, which is great, but it's all fake. And you can put in student IDs and United numbers and all kinds of things. One of the nice things is that because we control the payment process from end to end, we can do coupons that are geolocated. So if you happen to be near a hamburger joint and it's 4.5 miles away, but you know you're going to be there in a few minutes, you can just clip the coupon from your phone, and then you'll get that discount as soon as you pay with FaceCash. Now, to pay with FaceCash, it's actually pretty simple. The merchant has a point of sale system, either that we give them for free or that they integrate with one that they have already. So you can have the merchant add up what you've ordered. There's all kinds of different options, so if they have a complex menu, it supports that. Then they'll click on pay. They'll use one of these barcode scanners that we give them or that they buy from us, and then they'll take your phone with the barcode and they will scan it. And now, this is Corey, our Vice President of Business Development, so it's not me. But if Corey were right in front of me here, I'd verify that that was her, and then I'd select if this is a personal account or a business purchase. So you can actually avoid reimbursement forms right at the point of sale, which is a kind of nice bonus. So Corey right now doesn't have sufficient funds to make the purchase, but that's okay because if she has a $20 bill or a $100 bill, she can just give that to cashier, and the cashier will add that to her account instantly. It will deduct it from their nightly batch, and then she can make the payment. So that's what the point of sale side looks like. There's some other features in the phone as well. You can transfer money from person to person. So if I want to send money to Eric Jones, as long as it's under $5,000 a day, I can send him $20, and then he'll get it right away. Although we have anti-fraud stuff built in as well, so because Eric's picture hasn't been verified by a merchant, it's not letting me transfer, and that keeps the money safe. There are other people who I might be able to transfer to, but given that I have so little time, I'll go to the next thing, which is the history. You can get electronic receipts of exactly what you've bought right in the phone. So I can see I bought a chocolate cake, 2 churros, Mediterranean platter, and sandwich combo. You can also split bills. So if I want to split it with these people here, I say next. I can assign different line items to different people, different things that people have ordered, and the top's shared by everyone, and then you say that that looks good, and you split the bill.
Okay.
So that's generally what the app looks like.
Awesome. Well done. FaceCash. Thanks. Now, who was voting for them for the, okay, we have 2. Naval and also Jose both lobbied for you. What do you guys think, FaceCash?
So I just remembered that we met a year ago, didn't we? And you were wearing a Think shirt as well.
Could be.
I heard your pitch and we met at a cafe, and I thought it was really fascinating. You were still building it.
Okay.
So kudos to you for actually building your idea and your vision. I think it's really interesting. Obviously, you're missing kind of a Jack Dorsey, charm as a founder and presenter. So I would, definitely work on that, and I think there's some tips that we can give you, after this in terms of presentation style, because you just got up here, and but it's a big idea, and I think it has a lot of potential. The UI and the user experience is really critical here, so I saw some areas that could be improved. But kudos to you. I remember it was just an idea, and you've actually executed on it, and that's what being an entrepreneur is all about.
Thanks.
Awesome.
I think one of the things is you seem to be doing a lot in there. Like you went through like a payment system, and then you went through a split the check with your friends system and transfer money between friends. From a user adoption standpoint, you might want to scale back in the beginning to have a really clear value proposition and minimal viable product. so that when people load the app, they know exactly what to do with it instead of being this, Swiss Army knife of payments, which is kind of what I was saying.
Did you say that you were doing integration with other point-of-sale systems, or just this is your own, that's what you want people to be using?
We integrate and we have our own.
What's the integration?
We have an API that any point-of-sale vendor can just look up and adopt based on our specs.
Is anyone using it right now?
Yeah, we've just sent the alpha code to Dinerware, which is a restaurant point-of-sale system, and we're also in talks with about 3 or 4 other major POS systems right now.
Because that seems to me like the toughest nut to crack, and that's the thing that everybody else wants to be in. They want to be point of sale, they want to be open table or what have you, but they can't be because nobody else is that.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the money in these accounts? Is this ACH money? Is this a credit?
Yeah, so we have a pooled bank account, and the money can go into your FaceCash account using either ACH, or you can just give the cashier cash, like I showed with Corey's account. So basically, we have this pooled account. It's like a PayPal kind of model.
Awesome. Okay, let's hear it for FaceCash.
Thank you.